This is the first sunny Saturday of 2021, and we're here at the beginning of the famous boardwalk in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're not going to travel the whole boardwalk. We're just going to take a look around and at the beach and see what we can see. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Beatbox Boone here. And if you love Myrtle Beach and the surrounding Grand Strand area just as much as we do, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you won't miss anything. So today, or right now, it's about 54 degrees. Very cool, but it's a very beautiful day. So like I said, we're starting at the beginning of the boardwalk here on 2nd Avenue, and we're just going to go down a little bit, show everyone how beautiful it is, how pretty it is on this gorgeous day. And if you've never been to the boardwalk, they have various places where you can access the beach. And of course, we always want to practice social distancing at this time. It's very beautiful, look at that. Let's go down a couple more. Check it out. Here's a look back on the main road, Ocean Boulevard. And along the way, periodically here, you'll see these little sails that they put over. Get out of the sun and enjoy the beach. Go down one more. See if we can get out here and hear some of the ocean. There's Myrtle Beach right there. You can see way down there. Of course, you can see plenty of shells. So if you're interested, there's millions for you to come and collect. The waves aren't that big right now. Of course, it is the first weekend, second weekend in January. So we'll head head back to the 2nd Avenue Pier on the ocean. Look what I found. A nice shell. Pretty good, isn't it? All right, this concludes our quick walk around the beginning of the boardwalk here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I was only out there for a couple of minutes and found me a nice shell to add to my collection at the house. It only took, like you saw it, only took a couple of minutes just to stumble up on it. It's not completely whole, but I like it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more Myrtle Beach videos. And as always, keep beaching.